Hello Kunomailers and welcome to a new short video tutorial. Today I want to show you an option where you can activate voices in Kunomail. For example, if you start your program. For this you go here now to Managed, then to Settings. And important is that you have here enabled speech output. These voices here comes from your operating system. So Kunomail has no own voices or voice packages. These voices are all from your operating system. So if you don't have here any voice, you have to check your operating system if there are some voices installed or not. But I know you can install new voices over the website. For example, from Microsoft, there are some voice packages for your operating system. So that must be enabled. Here you can set the volume, and here um, just another option, speak dialogues. So if you activate this one and save it, then this dialogue will be read aloud. Okay, um, just click here, save it, and then it's deactivated. Then you go to the tab Start and Stop. And here you have the Kunomail start text. In this start text, here you can take, for example, this one, and in the brackets, where here is now your name, you just type in Sarah. If you save it, then every time you start Kunomail, the system read aloud, welcome Sarah to your Kunomail. And you also can choose this one, today is, and just leave it here. It's direct from the system, the date and the time, and then this system say welcome to Kunomail, and today is January 1st, and the time. Save it, that's it. Every time you start Kunomail, the start text is read aloud. And another option with voices and read emails. Here, if you have a very long letter or there are some very long emails, you can just click here, read email aloud, and then this email will be read aloud for you. You just have to listen and relax. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this little video about voices in Kunomail. Have a nice day or a nice evening. Greetings from Berlin. Bye bye, your Kunomail team. Bye.